Whose new bed, Cooper?
I'm snuggling with Cooper.
Very nice. You like your new bed, buddy?
Hop out.
Oh boy.
How do you hop out? Show
He's
Mommy
been
how to
in
hop out.
for 10 seconds. He already wants to hop out.
How do you hop out now? How do you do it? Show Mama.
Out here. So you can step out there. No. That's the way. That's the right way.
Hop out. And how do you hop back in?
Hop out.
Can you hop in? How do you do it? Can you do it by yourself? Yay!
Hop out.
You like your new bed, Cooper?
Hop out.
Do you like it?
Is it good?
Hop. You're saying all your instructions. Hop out.
Good boy.
Get your blankets back in.
Blue blankets.
I'll get that, don't worry. Here you go. Give me 1 second, let's just pull this out. There you go. Get yourself set up. How about this guy?
Pee-pee the shark.
Who's this? Who's that? Wham.
What about Pee Pee the shark? You getting settled?
All done? Oh, under? You're going under?
Is it nice, Cooper?
Mommy, can you please have the scissors? Can I please have the scissors?
What are you doing, bud?
Yeah, we're going to do it.
What are you doing? Oh, I got too close to the camera. Show us how you go night-night. What do you say when you go night-night? You like your new bed? Do you like your new bed? Okay, here, let me take a picture of you now, okay? Hang on.